Hello, I'm Georgia Workers' Compensation Attorney Jack Clay, and if you find yourself injured on the job and you don't know what to do about your medical care or you're having problems with a doctor, I'm here today to talk to you briefly about the Panel of Physicians system in Georgia and possibly how you can get yourself to a new doctor or to a better doctor for the medical care that you need. In Georgia, almost all cases are handled under what we call a Panel of Physicians system. The Panel of Physicians is a list of 6 doctors that has to be hanging up in your place of employment. The important exception to this, or the thing that we catch a lot of employers not doing, is even if they hang up the Panel of Physicians, they have a second additional requirement, and that's to help ensure that you, as an injured employee, understand the function of the Panel of Physicians and how to reach a doctor of your choice. Now, there are lots of other requirements on the Panel of Physicians that we can talk about if you need an attorney and if you'd like to contact us. The first point that I'd like to make is a respected doctor is the key. We often run into problems where doctors are simply unwilling to treat workers' compensation claimants, or they just won't dig hard enough to find the problem. What you want, and what we want as your attorney, is for you to have a respected doctor who's not only respected by us, but who's respected by the judge who your case will go before at the State Board of Workers' Compensation. Basically, you want a good doctor who takes time with you, who'll call things as they are, and who's middle of the road. And what I mean by middle of the road is they're not leaning toward the insurance company too much, nor are they leaning too much in the favor of an injured claimant, because these doctors can lose credibility very quickly in front of a judge. There's an old saying that I learned as a young lawyer, and it goes like this: he who controls the medical care controls the workers' compensation case. And that's still true today. Many doctors listed on panels of physicians are what we call conservative and will do less as opposed to more for an injured claimant. These doctors are often pressured by the insurance companies to give them opinions that they need to help their cases. What we want to see happen is for you to get to a doctor who is well respected and who is middle of the road, who's going to do the right things for you to help ensure a good recovery. Finally, if your employer did not post a Panel of Physicians in Georgia, you have the right to choose a doctor of your choice to treat you for your workers' compensation injury. Now, please keep in mind there are a small subsect of cases that involve what we call WCMCOs, and that stands for Workers' Compensation Managed Care Organization. That's sort of like an HMO or a PPO. But those cases happen fairly rarely, so we're usually dealing with issues involving the Panel of Physicians. If you have questions, or if you need an attorney who handles workers' compensation cases, and you'd like to consult with me about the Panel of Physicians and how you can get to a better doctor, please call us or email us. Our phone number is 770-577-2227, and our website is www.jackclay.com. And we really do look forward to hearing from you soon.